Mackenzie Scott. Most of us might not have heard regarding this person. She's the world's richest woman with a net worth of 66.4 billion US dollars. That is around 4,88,000 crores in Indian currency. She is former wife of Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. She is an author and a philanthropist who took the Giving Pledge. Giving Pledge is a campaign founded by Bill Gates and Warren Buffett which encourages the world's richest people to dedicate a major amount of their wealth to charitable causes. She is the world's richest woman and 12th richest person in the world. Hey everyone, welcome to Frontliners. Today, let's talk about the richest woman in the world, Mackenzie Scott. Before going to the content, please subscribe to Frontliners and click the notification bell icon. Mackenzie Scott is an American novelist and philanthropist who was born and brought up in San Francisco. She is graduated from US Ivy Princeton University with a bachelor's degree in English. She studied creative writing under American author Toni Morrison, who is late Pulitzer Award winner. Morrison stated that Scott was one of the best students she ever had. Scott published two novels, The Testing of Luther Albright in 2005 and Traps in 2013. She won an American Book Award in 2006. After graduation, she joined D. E. Shaw as a research associate for Jeff Bezos. The couple started dating and soon got married in 1993. In 1994, Bezos left D. E. Shaw and found Amazon. In 2019, Bezos and Scott revealed that they were parting ways. In their 25 years of married life, they raised 4 children. This couple's divorce settlement has been the expensive one of all the time. Scott has received 25% of the couple's Amazon stock, that is 4% stake in the company. This values around 38 billion US dollars. After the divorce deal, Scott's name was first listed in the world's richest people. After this, she has signed on to the Giving Pledge initiative. Recently, the wealth of Scott has been increased rapidly. Amazon stock jumped roughly 28% over the last 3 months and is up more than 90% so far this year. This made the wealth of Scott to give a hike. The main thing that need to talk about is her philanthropic work. According to a report by Forbes, in January 2020, Scott has gifted her 1% stake of Amazon worth 350 million US dollars. That's around 2575 crores in Indian rupees. In July, Scott has announced the donation of nearly 1.7 billion US dollars to 116 organizations that included 4 historically black colleges and universities. She described the organizations as focusing on one of 9 areas of need ranging from racial equity to climatic change. Meanwhile, her ex-husband Jeff Bezos has been widely criticized for constantly falling short when it comes to charitable work. Out of the top 5 richest Americans, only Bezos has not signed the Giving Pledge as yet. Of course, no offense regarding this as it is his personal opinion and interest on being charitable. But Scott has made considerable donations to charities over the years. Notably, she founded an anti-bullying organization called Bystander Revolution in 2014. Being a great philanthropist, Scott is an inspiration to many people in this aspect, as it is not a simple thing to donate hard-earned wealth. It requires good heart to work for others' welfare. Let us thank Mackenzie Scott for these wonderful steps taken to others' wellness. That's all for the video, guys. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Frontliners. Jai Hind.